And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
Got that baby in the box. Gonna let that right now.
Oh, that motherfucker.
You got that man right there in the box.
I wanna keep it going.
Alright man, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy. As y'all can see, read by the title and the thumbnail, today we putting on the
I didn't talk about a fucking G2.
No cap.
Wrong with them,
Finna
Stacy.
install a new intake. Shout out SRT Station. Shout out Link Dog.
Let me see it.
Hey, that come around. I got to look like y'all can see, man. Got that baby in the box. Gonna let that right now loose.
Oh, that motherfucker.
We got that man right there in the box, feel me? Oh yeah, cover that, cover that, cover that. I need a knife. I need a knife. Can I get a knife?
It's a raised in the cup of the Malibu.
Come around the way. But like I was saying, man, yo, we finna goddamn install this new shit. I told y'all the mods was on the way. Y'all fucking yeah, but we got, I don't know what the fuck that is. We got, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
What the fuck did you buy for, Scoop?
Just look at the wrap. I'm gonna just show y'all the wrap. Yeah. The new shit. Explain to them what that is.
Roto found coda intake for the. What up, Carlo?
Concrete, boy. Got my $1 billion bitch put up too. My side, my West Coast bitch, you know what I'm saying? She don't like nobody, I like that type of shit.
Oh shit. It's so dirty. Let me see that got down. Yeah. That bitch right there was holding down. I don't care, his way easier to take off than Quinn's. You see when we did Quinn's?
That nigga was struggling so bad.
Bro, his job.
I ain't even gonna lie.
Okay, I took Quinn about 2 hours.
Nice and tight, and we're good to go. So that's set up. So we're gonna set this to the side really quick.
Okay, that what it look like. Inside, y'all want to see what inside that look like? Shit, looks so slight. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, Scoop. Other than that, yeah, boiler is also in your car right now.
Yeah, I do. But it's S-type.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, them bitches not loud.
Yes.
Anybody that got S-type out there, y'all know how they sound. And them terrible. I don't like them. If you got them, I mean, shit, hey, that's for you, but that ain't for me. It's weak.
Scoop, but these niggas done fudge and take up.
What they do?
They scratch that motherfucker.
Oh, so.
At,
Oh, wait.
who the fuck?
It ain't no.
Who the fuck did? Hey, and I was gonna shout y'all out, man, cause I want a sponsor. Hey, check this out. If you wanna send me car parts, send me car parts. Feel me? You know, whatever y'all want me to put on there. I'm not gonna put anything on there, but
I think you should do flames all the way down this bitch.
flames all the way on the side. Yeah, we ain't fucking with that one, I ain't gonna lie. Flames.
We will never give him a Camaro.
Flames on the side?
Yeah.
What is this shit, is a hot ride?
Type shit.
Hell no.
This withdrawal from the bank, it was regional. I might rap on my whips for the seasonal. In my safety, they see it's an igloo. I'm in igloo, I took her to Nobu. Hit your hood and ain't nobody know you. I'm a mogul, I want
You couldn't get that bit on.
Good nigga ain't twist this thing. And that's a part of Quinn. That was Quinn's problem too. He was
I'm telling you, that's what he was fighting with, bro.
See how it's on there straight now. Watch that bitch get the twist. See, cuz that shit got down. It's throwing itself off. Oh shit. Yeah, you can have this shit.
Update. He done gave up on it.
Hello?
Can't get it in there. Let me see what he was struggling with.
Hey, Lita, I need a filler.
not approach you. My backyard got jet skis, it's Atlanta. How you do it? I'm rich and they knew it. How you pour it? It's 6 in this Fanta. Lady dancer, we fuck at the manor. With no manners. She want.
Alright. They're gonna be the third person that's gonna try and put their bit on. They done already been through 2 people. So he gonna get their bit on. Let me see. Nah, don't try and hide.
you got going?
Oh shit, he already fucking up.
Somebody is in need of a spark. Let's see what you're talking about. You gonna do 25? Yeah. 25. You going outside or both? Outside and inside? The vacuum and shit? Yeah. I'm that nigga. Yeah, it's your vacuum. They do it for 40. Where you want her to be at?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, I finally got that bitch ass nigga Lee back working.
I've been working all day.
That nigga ain't fuck with us about 2 months, boy. Tight shit. You feel me? Oh, what? He ain't fuck with us in about 2 months.
Watch this. Oh yeah, I'm on Gordo ass.
You're not. You wanna be like you so bad. That's what it is, girl. You wanna be like you so bad. Oh shit. Big roto fan. Put it on me and stay you though.
Wanna be slutted. In my eyes, she told me I'm handsome. Beat that shit from the back, paid the ransom. Walk around with the cannon like Samson. I can't speak on that here, call it Samsung. Who did what? Now nobody seen none. Who won what? Pop out with a green.
That bitch know it raw. Okay. We go black on one end.
So when did you get the banner redid?
When me and Bill went up there.
Oh.
Whatever.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Y'all see it though, man. Whole time, man, they said Lee Dog said I had a whole lot of extra wires on that bit that wasn't supposed to be on there. So whoever had the whip before me, man, the fuck was you doing? You ain't even got this shit getting the proper airflow. Now look at this shit. One way.
Oh shit. Cool. I ain't put no 20 point yet. What? I just unplugged that so I get the hose in. Oh.
Yeah, I seen that too. I just nah, hell no. Nah. I looked, I noticed that shit. Yeah. I peeped that shit. This shit look like way more space in here too. Not at that. What the fuck? Nigga done burnt himself over that bit, didn't he?
I thought that nigga gonna do something.
I heard that nigga holler.
Oh, that bit there is hot, but
I ain't even trying to touch that bitch. No, that bitch there. I was
Hey.
like, that bitch.
What you trying to do to that bit?
I had to lay that shit back down.
why you can tell that bit dirty, bro? Your car?
I was trying to let it sit for a little bit, but it's cool now though. I had it been on for 2 weeks.
Shit, that bit right there look like it don't play.
Nah, that bit get stupid hot, cuz.
Wait,
On my
soon as
mama.
you turn it on.
Oh God. You talking about something? He talking about something.
What up?
Let it warm up.
Chillin'.
Trying to tell you. What the? But your shit tapping. But your shit tapping. Your shit tapping. Good. Hey, so turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Now we gotta figure out where that dog coming from.
That bit wasn't tapping before. What the fuck this nigga done did?
Bring it back up, bro. Bring it back up, real quick. Bring it back up.
Yeah, get the shit, get the shit.
Damn. Rev it up too. Rev it, see what it do. Cool. Boy, you might be low on oil. Hey, boy, you need an oil change, boy. You better go get the oil change today. Boy, you need an oil change, boy. This bitch come out. You need an LLC, I'm looking for the guys. I'm for fuck.
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. At this moment right here, I was so sick. Like, I really thought the car was towed up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They got me good as hell with this one. I ain't gonna lie, because, boy, I was sick as a dog. Like, you can see it in my face, my whole mood, facial expressions, everything had changed. I just wanted to start recording at that point, for real. But I kept it going for y'all. But, man, I was so sick and didn't even realize the whole time they were just playing around, bro.
He's sweating.
What the fuck?
Oh, snap. Man, that bit ain't funny, but damn. Hey, this leak dog bill.
He worked on car, twin.
Blame leak. Damn.
Yeah.
Why the fuck they been tapping?
Shit oil.
Shit oil.
Older, man.
Hey, this nigga got me checking
Check the goddamn oil.
It's on your forehead. Damn, that been hard to get out like brake shit. I know that been fucked up. What's on your oil? You did?
Yeah, remember trying a bit.
That been bad.
My side, twin.
That bitch got oil in
We
it.
got oil now. Try it again. Just try it again. One more time. Oh, we're talking about the car. Well, I thought you told me. I was talking about the car. I was talking about the car.
Oh my god.
It's a hell of a reaction, boy.
Oh my god.
Go crank that motherfucker up. Yeah, go crank that up.
They gonna get this shit from the inside this time. God, go on, bro.
Hey, read that bit. Hey, it's going?
Huh?
It's going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow.
That bit sound good. Hey, here, let me rev it. Go listen to it. That bit, that
I can hear it from in here a little bit though.
Damn, big dog. Big dog. Damn. What's me up over that bit?
They been want to pop and shit back there, don't it?
Like an echo or something?
Yeah, that bit. Uh-oh. Okay.
That bit sound good though. Besides the tapping.
Yeah, besides the tapping. I ain't gonna lie, boy.
You were hurt.
In all honesty, boy, I was goddamn sick as fuck, boy. I was so goddamn sick. I ain't even gonna lie.
You need that money back from that.
I said shit, boy. Fuck.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man, YouTube, I ain't gonna lie. Your boy was so sick, man. I'm not gonna lie. I was so sick. And I was so mad. I was like, bro, no way I'm finna have to pay all this money and all this crazy stuff to get this car fixed. It just was a lot of emotions running through my head. But, hey, it was still a good time. You know, I love them boys, man. You know, we got the job done and we finished it. Y'all heard it. And, you know, there's more mods on the way and more videos on the way. No cap. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Till then, I catch you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.
I pop out every time with a mean one. I pop out every time and sling some. I imported my bitch, she look better here. I got 53,000 in every year. Just like, go.